Just like Frederator, this video is 107 YouTube facts. Except we're doing it in 107 locations. No, really, we're doing it actually in 107 locations. Woo! PewDiePie made history with the first 100 million subscribers. In 2007, Thailand temporarily banned YouTube. Typing "do the Harlem Shake" into the YouTube search bar used to make the entire page shake. Videos were originally limited to 10 minutes. Charlie Bit My Finger was once the most viewed YouTube video at 900 million views. YouTube could be worth over $400 billion, which is also my salary and how I can afford this car.
Hey, get out of my car!
VidCon started with just 1,400 people 15 years ago. Would you believe me if I told you it was up to 75,000 now? The ideal YouTube video used to be 7 to 15 minutes long, but if you're a podcast listener, you know that might not be the case anymore. YouTube's actually banned in several countries around the world. YouTube Premium has over 125 million subs. Yes, we all hate ads. Mike Diva went on to direct and create for Saturday Night Live. Smosh even started their own magazine. As of February 2025, 11.5% of YouTube's traffic is coming from TV, which is beating out every other streaming platform. Rick rollin'? October through December 2024, 5 million channels equaling 54 million videos were deleted from YouTube for violating guidelines. YouTube has 2.7 billion monthly users, which is 1/3 of the population of the world. Gangnam Style was the first video that made YouTube change their counter because it hit 1 billion views. Emma Chamberlain completely revolutionized vlogging with her editing style. And Casey Neistat revolutionized vlogging with his storytelling and his daily vlogs. YouTube actually started as a hot or not online dating service. She stuck it! Me at the Zoo is the first ever video uploaded on YouTube, and it's currently sitting at 350 million views. Coco Melon hit 180 million subscribers by 2025. Parents call it toddler crack, while Gen Z just makes TikToks about it. YouTube had to ban dangerous challenges. RIP Bird Box Challenge. Bo Burnham was the first YouTuber to land a comedy special on Netflix. It's weird, this is 368 Broadway and I don't see Casey Neistat. Hi, Casey. Planking was a thing. Ryan's World, which is a toy review channel, was documented in 2020 as the highest earning channel, coming in at $29.5 million. YouTube was originally located above a pizzeria. In 2018, Rewind holds the record for the most thumbs down on a video, and it's 20 million. 20 million thumbs down. YouTube videos used to freeze at 301 views so that they could check for bot views. YouTube Premium was actually called YouTube Red. Who remembers that? In 2010, YouTube's April Fool's joke was to roll out text mode so that they could save money on bandwidth. YouTube went mobile before there was even an app store. John Green is a best-selling author now. For every 100 videos, 4 of them get 0 views. 0. Leave Britney Alone made emotional rants become mainstream. Statistically, the best times to upload on YouTube are... YouTube's original logo actually looks like this. YouTube came pre-installed on the first version of the iPhone operating system. The fastest viral video got 100 million views in under 21 hours, and it was butter, but not this butter. 50 Cent's In the Club video has 2.3 billion views, and that is in fact 2.3 billion people that can confirm 50's in the club. And YouTube just turned 20, which unfortunately is still not old enough to drink with 50 in the club. Fred was the first YouTuber to hit 1 million subscribers. After only 2 years of existence, YouTube consumed more bandwidth than the entire internet. Before 2010, YouTuber actually wasn't even a word. There was no official term for being somebody that created on the platform, and now it's on people's resumes. In 2014, Walt Disney purchased Maker Studios for $500 million. Mukbangs happened. I also don't eat hot dogs. There was a time where having a second channel meant creators could finally be themselves. Did you know it's actually impossible to eat without watching YouTube? That's a good show. In 2008, YouTube redirected all of its traffic for the largest Rickrolling event ever, so I guess in 2008, YouTube was feeling quite sassy with pranks. There's a video on YouTube that earned 22 million views from fake crying over pineapple pizza. Except you should really cry because pineapple on pizza is disgusting. Who remembers when YouTube videos used to be less than 5 minutes long? We definitely have David Dobrik to thank for that one. WebDriver Torso is YouTube's secret conspiracy account. Everyone who said they'd never post shorts now posts 3 a day. In August 2007, YouTube launches the Partner Program. And then in April of 2010, the like button now replaces the 5-star rating system. October 9th, 2006, Google buys YouTube for $1.65 billion. And then skipping ahead to November of 2021, YouTube removed the public dislike button, which I don't know if we're all still happy about that or not. Valkyrae was the first female to become a member of 100 Thieves, and I don't know if that's how you say her name, but I tried. Grace Helbig might have started on YouTube, but she went off to have best-selling books, films, and of course, a talk show on E! The Ice Bucket Challenge actually raised over $100 million for ALS. In 2009, YouTube auditioned musicians for a virtual orchestra that actually performed at Carnegie Hall. 26.95% of thumbnails have a surprise expression as of 2025. Mr. Beast is estimated to be worth $500 million. In 2019, James Charles set the record for losing the most subscribers in one day, losing 1 million. That feud with James Charles and Toddy Westbrook actually ended up losing James Charles 3 million subscribers that week. YouTube thumbnails were originally generated from 25%, 50%, and 75% of your video. Ryan Trahan has more subscribers than Dr. Phil. If you type Technoblade into the YouTube search bar, it actually autocorrects your prompt to "Did you mean Technoblade never dies?" in honor of the late Minecraft YouTuber. Logan Paul actually holds the record for the most apology videos. Go figure. The boy band 98 Degrees has 215,000 subscribers. Keep trying, guys. YouTube VR launched in 2016. The longest video on YouTube is actually 596 hours, which is like a month-long video. YouTube has actually gotten in trouble for spreading misinformation and promoting conspiracy theories. Or is that what they want us to think? Jenna Marbles was the most subbed female creator until 2020, and we miss you, Jenna. Please come back. The Reply Girls are the reason YouTube now cares more about retention than clicks, and if you know, you know. YouTube hosts almost 15 billion videos. Oh my god, it's stuck! Shorts now counts impressions. How To Basic is a comedy channel whose owner managed to stay anonymous through 17 million subscribers. YouTube's first slogan was "Broadcast yourself," and well, we took that seriously. On December 13th, 2024, YouTube changed Taylor Swift's progress bar into a little hand heart for all the Swifties to celebrate. The first YouTube video actually to hit 1 million views was a Nike ad, and I guess you could say they just did it. Who remembers YouTube Disco? Find Mix Watch was actually the slogan, but it was a short-lived experiment. 12 million shorts are uploaded daily. ASMR is a thing. Happy Birthday to You is the most viewed short, coming in at 2.3 billion views. Baby Shark is currently the most viewed video at 15 billion views. Over 500 hours of videos are uploaded onto YouTube every minute. Matt Papp even once met with the Pope. Liza Koshy went from YouTube sketches to interviewing former President Obama. The longest video on YouTube is no longer on YouTube. When Filthy Frank went viral for his 30-second Harlem Shake video, it actually helped YouTube update the algorithm by prioritizing watch time. The first live stream on YouTube was in 2010, and it was the Indian cricket match. When acquired, YouTube only had 67 employees. The Beebs actually got a start on YouTube. Would you guess that there's 50 billion shorts views a day? Wrong, it's 70 billion. Try to promote illegal activity on YouTube, they'll get rid of you faster than the Cinnamon Challenge. The In My Feelings challenge literally had people jumping out of moving cars. The Minecraft YouTuber Dream gained 10 million subscribers in 1 year. President Obama welcomed YouTubers to promote the Affordable Care Act, and it was known as the YouTube generation. There's 12 million shorts uploaded daily. Remember that time Mr. Beast's employee handbook was released? Who read it? Obviously, YouTube is owned by Google, but they first turned down an offer from NBC, so we could have had Jim and Pam, but instead we have Rhett and Link. Vimeo gets 1/10 of YouTube's audience. Yikes. In November of 2011, YouTube introduces YouTube trailers. The YouTube algorithm actually recommends 70% of content that's watched, so don't give up. And that was 107 facts about YouTube in 107 locations.